CZ, this is, I think, something interesting that you've actually been talking about lately. To me, it looks like people are learning about the use cases of altcoins, and that's why they're getting into different investments like Ether. Of course, it could also be that people just see the prices going up, and there's a lower cost of entry for these altcoins, and they're jumping on them for that reason. What's your take?
I mean, it's always a variety of reasons. There's probably close to 300 million people in the crypto market now, so everyone do it for different reasons. Some people are trading for speculative returns. They look at what's rising and they just try to jump on it. But I think what you mentioned about the use case is actually a very accurate. I think for the people that I interact with more, I think they find that what most people learn about Bitcoin as the first cryptocurrency. If you learn about cryptocurrencies, blockchain, you have to go through Bitcoin. You learn about Bitcoin first. But after that, they do venture out and say, hey, well, now there's a blockchain. Blockchain is not just Bitcoin. You don't. There's a lot more you can do by in addition to just transferring value. You can do smart contracts. You can do many other things. You can do NFTs. So all of these use cases are booming right now, and people need the other coins to do this type of new transactions. Ethereum is one of those clear examples. That's probably why Ethereum is going up.
CZ, my concern is, and you've been tweeting about this, a lot of people rip on Bitcoin and they don't even know what a public key is. Or you have people investing in your BNB, but they don't know the use case. They're just jumping in because the price is rising. And if you have too many people like that, that's irrational exuberance. That's froth in the system. And it doesn't provide a solid base for prices. That's why we get even more volatility. How do you look at volatility and people that are serious investors in crypto?
So I think it's the same proportion of people who are in traditional stock markets or any markets that's actively traded. There's always guys who do fundamental research and understand the underlying assets in a lot of detail. Some people understand BNB more than I do. And then there are people who just follow other people, who are just following the herd. There's always a large number of people having the herd mentality than the guys who actually do serious research. That's just how advanced our civilization is right now, which is everywhere. So it's not unique to crypto. It is in crypto like that. The herd followers are less committed. Whenever there's some negative news, they run away. Whenever there's positive news, they try to rush in. So they do cause more volatility versus the sort of the die-hard fans who understand and really love the projects. But it's the same thing in stock markets. There's nothing new in crypto. So volatility is everywhere. And actually, Bitcoin. Bitcoin is probably less volatile than similar sized assets like Apple stock or even Tesla stock.